In this video, testing is conducted for DN100 Saoz Decanter, which has outflow rate of 1000 liters per minute. The product can be customized as per water transfer rate or as per customer requirements. There are two tanks which can be seen. Smaller one is filter feed, which is emptied before the decanting process. The bigger tank, which is also called aeration tank or SPR tank, will be filled with water for testing purpose. In real scenario, this will be wastewater. The Saoz decanter is manufactured using 304 grade stainless steel. Major components are 1. Mounting tube with 2 side flanges. 2. The moving assembly. 3. The draw tube. 4. The intake tube. 5. Float assembly. 6. The hoisting mechanism. 7. The butterfly valve. Mounting pipe shall be mounted within the construction or by core cutting. It holds the two parts, the moving assembly and butterfly valve, which is optional. The moving assembly will be mounted to the mounting tube. It has a moving rotary part which is mounted to the draw tube for water intake, and it can move vertically about 90 degrees. The draw tube, which is fixed with flanges at the both ends, will draw water from the SPR tank. The T-shaped intake tube, which can draw water through the narrow holes beneath its horizontal length when immersed in water using a float support. Float assembly can be UPVC or steel tube, which is attached above the intake tube to support immersing underwater at a specified water level. The up and down movement is achieved by a hoister, which can be a metal shaft or a steel cable attached to a gear motor. The butterfly valve is used for additional safety precaution if there is any maintenance in Saoz decanter, and it also prevents leakage if any. Here we are using a manual method for hoisting. The Saoz decanter is immersed in water with the help of float assembly. The water intake tube shall be several inches below the water level, so floating particles are not drawn by the intake tube. The water intake tube is vertically floating above the water surface. The tube has a multiple rectangular opening. Each opening is 15 cm wide. Overall length is 1.5 m. Since the water is flowing through multiple small inlets, the water current generated will take the clear water from the topmost strata. Hence, the sludge, which tends to settle down towards bottom strata of the tank, will not get carried away through the inlet. Now, water is drawn from the SPR tank through the intake tube. Here, the water transfer rate is around 1000 liters per minute by using DN100 tube. The flow rate slightly changes since it depends upon the water pressure and the volume. After reaching the limit, Saoz decanter rests on a stopper which will be fastened to the tank bottom or nearby wall and will be pulled back to its original position using a hoister for the next batch. Saoz decanter is one of the best in build quality. The moving joints are specially designed and hydraulically placed using a specially designed machinery. This will prevent leakage and absorbing more pressure than a normal steel braided flexible tube. Our special process involves completely fused steel joints which prevents early corrosion, providing real-time life of more than 20 years. Thank you for watching the video. For more details or inquiries, please visit our website saozcontrols.com.